In our previous video, we covered the steps to register a survey with basic details. In this video, we will dive into building a comprehensive survey by exploring various question types and customization options. Let's get started. Click on the survey and then click on the form builder. In the survey module, click on the survey, and on the left side, you'll find templates for different question types like multiple choice, image upload, text responses, and more. By selecting the right question type, you can capture both quantitative and qualitative insights. Let's add a rating type or a single selection question. Select the question type and enter the details. You can also add translations for the question, text options, hints, and error messages, making your survey accessible in multiple languages. To make the question mandatory, toggle the required button. This ensures participants can't skip essential questions. Next, enter your question text and translations. By clicking the plus and minus buttons in the options section, you can add or remove answer choices as needed. Enter each option and add translations for any secondary language. For additional guidance, you can add hints for each question to help responders understand what is expected. If you'd like a specific error message to appear when the question is left unanswered, enter a custom error message here. Now let's discuss red flag options. By making an option as a red flag, you signal to the system to filter responses when the respondents select that specific choice. This is helpful for identifying specific responses that may require follow-up. After filling in all the details, click on Add Question and add it to the list. Now let's add an image response type of question. Select the image response type question and fill in the details. After filling in all the details, click on Add Question. Now to review all the questions in the survey, click on Preview Survey to view the complete list of questions. By selecting the Check Follow-up Question option, you can apply a conditional logic. If the respondent selects very poor or poor, the next question will display as an image upload type, allowing them to submit a picture related to the delivery issue. Once everything looks good, click Save to finalize the survey. This will officially create your survey. By utilizing question types, language translations, required fields, hints, custom error messages, and red flag options, you are equipped to create a comprehensive and user-friendly survey that gathers the right data for your project.